everyone, I am Heidi and I am here on behalf of Beds SU to get all students involved in our new wellbeing page. So as we have recently said that we want articles, videos, basically anything from all students just to give us a little insight into your wellbeing and how you're doing. So for anyone who wants to make a video and doesn't know how to, this is a video that's going to show you 5 top tips on how to help you make an amazing video for our wellbeing page. So let's go. Number 1 is just get yourself a camera. That's the first step. That's all you need to do is get yourself a camera. And it doesn't have to be a big fancy camera, you know, with lenses and zooms and all that jazz. It can just be your phone. That's all I'm using, and just it's not as intimidating, it's quick, it's easy, and it's the best option. Number 2 is find a topic that you're really interested in, because you need to be interested in what you're saying. Now, I have said that this is for our wellbeing page, so we're looking for stuff about wellbeing. So anything that's, you know, to do with staying active at uni or how to keep a healthy mind at uni, anything that you're interested in, because the more interest you have on the topic, the better outcome you're going to get with your video. Okay, number 3 is write a script. Okay, now I'm not saying go out and write a 5-page script. Just write a little structure down, just so you know what you want to say. It could be bullet points, or if you do like writing scripts, then write a 5-page script. Just make sure that you have something in front of you, just so that you're not thinking on top of your head, because that can be dangerous sometimes. Number 4 is set yourself up. Okay, so we've got our camera, make sure it's landscape. We've got our amazing topic, and we've also got our amazing script that we've wrote. So now all we have to do is put our camera where we want it, put our flash on, and we're ready to go. But we also have to think about our background, because the background can give the video a little bit more, a little bit of an oomph. You know what I mean? So for example, if this was a meditation video, I'd probably have some incense going in the background, maybe a tapestry behind me just to give a little bit of a, you know, zen, and maybe some orange lights. I'm not too sure, I'd have to think about it, but make sure you have a background just that gives off what you want to give off. Okay, and then you're ready to go. Number 5, last but not least, is enjoy yourself. Please, I wanted this to be the last one, because this is the most important part of filming a video, is making sure that you enjoy yourself, because what's the point if you don't? You know, you've got your camera, you've done your script, which is amazing, so now you just need to show everyone what you've got, and just make sure that you're having a good time while you're doing it. So this concludes my video of 5 top tips that will help you make your own video. I hope this does help you, because I'd love to see all your content sent to me at Beds SU. So please get making your videos, get writing your articles, and send them all to us. Thank you, bye!